Swallowing pills can be challenging for many adults and children due to the fear of gagging. However, there are various methods to overcome this difficulty. One approach is to take the pill with soft food or plenty of liquid, such as bread, gummy bears, honey, or peanut butter. Alternatively, swallowing techniques like practicing with small candies or trying mandarin oranges can help familiarize the throat with swallowing without the risk of choking. One counterintuitive but effective technique is the lean forward method. In the lean forward method, which works best for capsule pills, place the pill on your tongue and take a drink of water, but don't swallow it yet. Tilt your head down with your chin towards your chest. Let the capsule float to the back of your mouth and then swallow the pill. In any case, it's important to relax and manage anxiety before attempting to take a pill. If swallowing pills remains a challenge, discussing alternative forms of medication with a doctor, such as liquids or patches, may be beneficial.